Welcome to week 5 of the Industry Readiness Program. Month 2 starts now. For the next 4 weeks, you work in a team of 2 or 3 on a real Bistec internal project. This video covers the first move, the interview that turns a vague ask into a real spec. 12 minutes. Map of month 2. Week 5. Stakeholder interviews. You produce an interview transcript and a draft PRD. Week 6. Collaborative PRD and architecture with your team. Week 7. Open a P3. Pro spec first API design. Week 8. Team sprint. Demo day number 2. And the first architect guest critique. Every team gets a real Bistec internal need. No toy projects. A real Bistec story. A PMO team asked for export to CSV. It shipped in a day. 6 weeks later, they learned what they actually wanted was reconciled with the accounting system. The team rebuilt it from scratch. The ask is never the need. A 30-minute interview would have saved 6 weeks of rebuild. Wrong opener. So tell me what features you want. That leads with solutions and hands you a feature wish list. Not a problem. Right opener. Walk me through the last time this came up at work. That captures context, triggers, people involved. The problem shows itself. Every Bistec stakeholder interview opens with a walkthrough question. Memorize the shape. Here's a real Bistec ticket unpacked with 5 whys. The ask. We need a priority badge on the dashboard. Why? Because PMO can't see urgent tickets fast enough. Why? Because the list defaults to newest first. Why? Because there is no priority field. People tag urgent in the title. Why? Because titles are inconsistent. Prep misses half the urgent ones. Why? Because nobody enforces a taxonomy at intake. The real problem, there is no structured priority at ticket creation. The dashboard badge was a symptom. Build the taxonomy, not the badge. Vague success criteria, faster workflow, better visibility, user-friendly. You cannot grade any of those. Numeric or observable success. P0 tickets surface in 1 click, not 8. Triage takes under 10 minutes per morning, not 40. 0 urgent tickets missed past essay. Quote the stakeholder verbatim. Their adjectives become your numbers when you push back. Always ask it, always last. What should this tool explicitly not do? By that point in the interview, the stakeholder feels heard and will happily name the traps. Out of scope is the future scope creep argument you have already won. 2 roles. The requester, the person who raised the need. The decision owner, the person who says ship it or rework it. Every transcript names both. If the decision owner is not identified, you will spend weeks delivering to the wrong person's expectations and learn the hard way when the ship button gets pressed. On screen, the transcript format. Header, stakeholder name and role, date, duration, name decision owner, sign-off scope. Then sections, opening, 5 whys, success criteria, out of scope. Each with bracketed timestamps and direct quotes. Do not paraphrase. The verbatim quotes are what you cite back when scope drifts. Write within 24 hours of the interview. Otherwise, quotes become paraphrases and paraphrases become fiction. The turnaround split, 15 minutes to extract quotes into a persona and problem statement. 25 minutes to turn success criteria into non-functional requirements and the 5 whys into functional requirements. 20 minutes on the out-of-scope list and architecture decision record drafts. 1 hour to a PRD draft V0. 1. Pitfall 1. Leading questions. Wouldn't it be great if pre-biases toward your solution? Stay open. Pitfall 2. Assume solutions. Hearing report and writing dashboard. Ask what they actually mean. Pitfall 3. The silent nod. Yes, 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 without caption. Summarize aloud every 5 minutes. Pitfall 4. One voice. Only interviewing the requester. The decision owner changes the spec by 30% on average. This week's deliverable. 2 artifacts. Interview transcript. Verbatim quotes with timestamps. The full 5 whys chain. The named decision owner. The out-of-scope list. Draft PRD version 0.1. Persona. Problem. Functional requirements, non-functional requirements with numeric targets, non-goals, team contract table. Submit by Friday. Week 6 turns your V0. 1 into V1. 0 with your team of 2 or 3. The takeaway from week 5. The ask is never the need. Context before questions. 5 whys to the root. Quote them verbatim. Coming in week 6, team roles, spec lead, imp lead, review lead, collaborative PRD editing with section ownership, the architecture doc skeleton, and Bistec cloud defaults. Azure first, heads now when cost justified. File today's training diary entry. See you in week 6.